Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we off guys our auto brightness setting in our Oppo phone. In this video I will show you guys how can you off your auto brightness in your Oppo phone. So now let's see guys how to off it. So first of all guys open your phone setting to off your auto brightness. Then guys scroll it. Friends you can see this type of setting in your Oppo phone. So guys click on the display and brightness setting friends, and friends you can see your auto brightness settings. So friends you can off from here this right side tab here, and guys your brightness will not increase and decrease automatically, as you can adjust your brightness level yourself, as you can customize your high power and low power. So like that guys you can off guys your auto brightness, and guys you can customize your brightness setting yourself in your Oppo phone. So I hope friends you've understood how to off auto brightness. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please comment, like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video.